brothers and sisters, if there is worship, if there is anything that we do, it must be centralized on Jesus. God has to be central in everything. The sanctuary was more than a building. It was a spiritual center of the nation. We are talking about a blueprint for a thriving mission. So God wanted to make the sanctuary to be the center of everything if Israel was to be successful. And today, we must ask the question, what happens when God is no longer at the center of the church? What happens when God is not at the center of a church? When God moves to the edges, what happens is this: mission weakens. We know as a church we have been commanded to go out there and preach the gospel. But if God is put in the periphery or in the edges, mission weakens. Even the unity amongst the church members, even unity amongst those who are in the church weakens or fades.